In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for Kanban project management in a non-technical team. Start by going to the Trello website and logging into your account. Once you're in, click Create, then choose Create New Board. For the board name, enter Project Kanban Board and click Create. This gives you a clean workspace where your team can organize tasks visually and track progress without needing any technical background. If Trello adds default lists automatically, go ahead and remove them so you can build a simple workflow from scratch. Now click Add Another List, type Backlog and press Enter. Add another list called To Do, then create In Progress, Review, and finally Done. These lists form a classic Kanban flow. Backlog is where ideas and incoming tasks live. To Do is for work that's ready to start. In Progress shows what the team is actively working on. Review is useful for approvals or final checks. Done is where completed work goes, giving everyone a clear view of what has been finished. Next, under the backlog list, click Add a Card. Enter a task and click Add Card. This card represents one piece of work, and from here you can add useful details that help the whole team stay aligned. Click the card to open it. Inside, assign team members using the Members option so everyone knows who is responsible. Add labels to organize tasks by category or priority. For example, labels can help your team quickly spot urgent items or group similar work together. You can also add checklists to break the task into smaller steps. This is especially helpful for non-technical teams because it turns a larger task into clear, manageable actions. If the task has a deadline, add a due date so the team can stay on schedule and avoid last-minute confusion. As work moves forward, drag cards across the list to reflect progress. Move a card from Backlog to Do when it's ready, then into In Progress when someone starts it, into Review when it needs checking, and finally into Done when it's complete. The simple movement is what makes Kanban so effective. At a glance, everyone can understand the current status of the project. Review the board regularly to track project status. A quick daily or weekly check helps the team spot delays, rebalance workload, and make sure important tasks don't get stuck too long in one column. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. That's the full setup. Once your board is in place, Trello becomes a straightforward system for planning work, managing team accountability, and keeping projects moving in a clear and visual way. Congratulations, you created a practical Kanban board your non-technical team can start using right away.